Have you ever picked a product within 3 seconds and you decided this is looking cheap and this is not? Without checking a label, without checking a price tag, still your judgment is made. But how? What exactly happened in those 3 seconds? Let's talk about that. So, hi, I'm Saloni, a brand and packaging designer. When a customer sees your product for the first time, they do not think logically, they do not analyze, they do not read the detail, they feel. And your brain is extremely fast at forming opinions, so fast that by the time you touch the product, your decision is already influenced. Now, think about this. When you walk into a store or scroll online, how many products do you actually stop for? 100 pass in front of your eye, right? But only few make you pause. But why those few? First thing the brand notice is not just a logo or a brand name. It notices the overall vibe of the product. It's looking confident, clean, not messy like that. And this happened instantly. If the packaging feel confused, your brain assume that the brand is confused too. If your packaging feel calm, your brain feels safe. Have you noticed some brands feel trustworthy without knowing anything about them? That's not magic, that's design psychology. Now ask yourself something honestly. Have you ever judged the product by their packaging and later realized that the product inside was also good? Exactly. Because the packaging do not protect their product, it sets expectation. If something looking premium, you expect premium quality. If something looking cheap, even the product is good, you assume that the product is average. Isn't that interesting? Another thing the brain quickly notices is clarity. Can I understand what is this product? And if the customer has to think too much, they move on quickly. People are not impatient, they are overloaded. So brands that communicate clearly in second win attention. Have you noticed why simple packaging stand out on shelves? Because it gives the eye some rest. Then comes typography. Even you don't know anything about fonts, but your brain know the difference. Because some fonts feel cheap, some fonts feel serious, some fonts feel timeless. If your font look immature, your brain feel immature about the brand. And if your font look confident, your brand feel confident. And all this happen without reading a single word. Crazy, right? Then comes color. Color also plays silently with the mind. Bright, loud color create urgency and soft muted color create trust. Neither is wrong, but if your product is premium and your color is aggressive, then the customer got confused. And customer is confused, then they will not buy your product. Now let's talk about something that people rarely talk about is white space. Empty space make brand feel uncomfortable and they try to fill everything. And when everything is filled, nothing stands out. Space tells the customer that this brand is confident and it says we do not need to explain everything and confidence is attractive. Now here's come an important question. Does packaging guarantee success? The answer is no. But the bad packaging guarantee failure because the customer may forgive your bad ad, your bad post, but customer do not forgive your first impression and packaging is your first brand impression. So when someone say design do not matter, product matter, so remember this. The product get judged after the packaging, not before. If the packaging do not earn those 3 seconds, the product will never even get a chance. Customer do not decide slowly, they decide fast and justify it later. So if you are a brand owner or a designer, remember this. You're not designing for minutes, you're designing for seconds. This much about this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Till then, bye bye, take care and I will see you in my next video.